Welcome to New York. It is full on snowing, guys. We are supposed to be heading out to Rome today, tonight, this evening. So we're hoping that the snow stops so we can make our flight. But of course, it more than likely, there have been delays already. So we'll see what that looks like. But yeah, we are in full-fledged snow mode out here in New York. So I'm just out here taking pictures while my boyfriend shovels the snow, okay? Because I'm just a girl. Roads are very clean. Uh-oh. Who are they going after? It's snowing. Thought we were gonna board, but we get over there and we are delayed another hour. So we're trying to see if we can get back in the lounge without having to stay on the wait list again. We will see if that works. If not, we'll just stay out here and, you know, find somewhere to hang out for the next hour. But it feels like we've been at the airport all day. But with the snow, it is saying that there's, you know, like 6-hour delays on a lot of the flights. So we're still hoping we can get out tonight. Hey, girls. We are delayed due to the snowstorm here in New York. But we're in the lounge. We've been to 3 lounges and I've asked for the hourglass bag. No one's had it. We came in here earlier and the guy was like, no, we ran out earlier this morning. Came back after our flight was delayed and there's a lady who's getting a bag in the front. And I was just like, literally to the guy that said that they were out, I said, you told me an hour ago that y'all didn't have any. He was like, I'm so sorry, somebody just found this one, blase, fine. So my boyfriend pulls someone else to the side and was just like, hey, look, can you just go look in the back and see if you can find one? And sure enough, he came back with one. So let's see what's in it. I'm sure we already know. Hourglass. We are gonna look at all the goodies. So we have pressed powder, translucent pressed powder. We have a concealer, and then we have the primer, and then we have a cream cleanser, and I think that's it. So it's cute. Part of the perks, I guess. So I want to make sure we got our perks. Anyway, trying to fit this in my bag. Hi, how are you? 33?
33.
A and B?
A and B. Down this first aisle.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Hello. That's fine. Where's
Making the flight that they did check their bag. So for security reasons, we just have to pull that bag off the aircraft that the bag must travel with our passenger. Once we get that done, we should be underway. Once again, we do thank you for your patience.
We did have one small issue when they were pulling JetBridge back and closing the main cabin door. It did not close properly, so we're going to have them come out and open that up, close it again, make sure it's armed properly. So it'll be just a minute for that. Thanks for your patience.
We're about 3 hours, almost 3 hour delay, and we are still in New York. Want some more? Alright, let's try this spinach and cheese lasagna. It's not bad. It could just use some salt and pepper. It's very hot. Saints, we are about 4 hours into our flight. Have another 4 hours and 41 minutes left. I just got up to stretch and get some water. I'm gonna put on some eye patches. The sun is coming out. So they just came around and told us to put our windows down. But I want to try to catch a glimpse of it. I've never used these before, but we are definitely about to do what it do. So good. Good thing is we didn't make any plans for our first day in Rome. So we're not gonna be like missing anything. We have quite a few reservations for tomorrow, so it's a good thing we planned it that way. Also, I brought my man packed my heating blanket for me. Best thing that ever happened to me on this flight. It's been incredible. We got a stamp. We have made it to Italy, and customs was fairly simple. We're just tired at this point. Need a shower and some breakfast.